Hello everyone, so I'm going to get a haircut done, and this is what my hair situation is right now. Like, I've grown this much hair, and I'm like very skeptical to like do a haircut, but we'll see. So my haircut appointment is at 3:30, and right now it's 3:40, sorry, 2:45 I guess. And I'm panicking because I want a haircut, but I don't want a haircut. I'm currently just loving my hair, how it looks. I think because I just washed it yesterday, and yeah, I'm very confused right now, but I'll just see whatever happens. I'm just going with the flow right now. So yeah, I'll just get my little bit of makeup done, and then I'll just get ready and go. Best of luck, Kartika, best of luck. So whenever my birthday comes, I just get the ick of like doing something to my hair. It's either color or it's just haircut. So this time also I'm getting a hair color and also haircut done, but hair color I'm going to do at home only, so I'm just vlogging that also. So yeah, let's go. I'm ready already and I'll probably get late, so let's quickly get a cab and go for the haircut before I change my mind. Let me just process this hair. I genuinely love this hairstyle. I've never done this kind of hairstyle ever in my life, but my god, it's so pretty. It's like the perfect length that I wanted, and the fringes, etc. Everything just matches the description of that photo that I have shown here or here, there, wherever. But my god, it looks so pretty. But there is a catch to this hairstyle, which is these fringes that you see in this form. You have to maintain it by blow drying it, and also I have wavy hair, so these straightening look, I need to blow dry it. Otherwise it's just, I don't know how it would look like this hairstyle in wavy hair, but I'm guessing it will look good because it's looking so good in straight hair, and I have a different personality altogether with this hairstyle. Look at the confidence that I'm like, how confidently I'm speaking right now. This is what hairstyle or haircut does to you. Like, it makes you very confident in yourself because you look good. I'm so in love. I think I'll go short after like growing this much hair again, because this is so much good. Like, I don't have to maintain it too much, nothing at all. So many hairstyles I can do. So yeah, all in all together, it is the best haircut ever. I hated this top since I got it. I mean, I was loving it while I was like looking at it on the website, and then when I wore it, I was just like, it's not my vibe, and I was hating it. I didn't even wear it anywhere. But now after this haircut, I wore it and it looks so good. I mean, a haircut can change the way you look your clothes to a weird effect, but yeah. Just wait a minute, I'll just show you how this top looks like. Wait a minute. Look at this. This is the first time I'm doing it, and I have no prior experience. I'm just putting a disclaimer right now here. So I'm just trying it out. I think it's not a big deal, but still I'm a little skeptical about it. So we are going to color our hair at home. So previously last year I have already colored my hair at a salon. You can see the video right here. I'm just gonna put it up here. So I liked that brown shade a lot on my hair, and this time also I thought I wanted that brown shade of hair. But when I got that color done at the salon, it was like too costly. The whole process and whole thing costed me around 15k, which was like a lot of money. And this time I just thought of doing it a little, you know, DIY budget stuff. So you can also try with me. Yeah, so I'm going to do that. Up many websites and many hair dyes to color my hair, and I was like very confused to what to use, but I was sure that I am not going to bleach my hair. This is just a no for me. So I was looking out for a no bleach hair color, and I just found one, I think, that was Paradyes. So this claims to be no bleach, but yeah, there is a little bit bleach in every hair dye in which you want the color to be a little lightened. So the brown color is a little light color, so there is a little bit bleach, but it is not too harsh like the hair salon guys does with the bleach. So yeah, so I just purchased this one. You can look up for any other option if you want to, but I'm going with this one. So this package is like this, and here they have written that it is a no bleach required hair color, and it is visible on black hair. No PPD, no ammonia, and no resorcinol, which I don't know what that is, but still some kind of chemical, so that is not there in this hair dye. So yeah, and there is a lot of herbal ingredients in it, like olive oil, aloe vera, bringraj, flax oil, and amla, hibiscus, brahmi, almond oil, etc. So yeah, little bit of herbal and little bit of chemical. So yeah, so this is the glossy tint, which is a semi-permanent hair color, and this lasts for about 15 to 20 washes. Disclaimer there is that if you have sensitive scalp, please just skip this hair dye, don't use it, and also don't put hair dye on your scalp. For the first time, if you are dyeing out your hair, please don't put any hair dye on your scalp. Also, if you have sensitive scalp, please don't use this hair dye. I've already told you it's not for sensitive scalp. So I've already done the patch test of this product, and you have to do it before using this hair dye, and you can just apply a little bit of the hair dye at the back of your neck and also at the back of your hand, and keep it for 48 hours and see if you have any irritation or any. Let's see what all this packet includes. So it has, of course, a brush to apply the hair dye, the cream, we have this glossy color cream, and we have the developer. So first time I saw this developer bottle, and I just looked at it and felt it was like half full, and I was like, what, did I just order the product which is defective? So I just changed the product and bought another one, and the other one also was like same quantity. So I was like, what is wrong with it? Then I just went to the website and checked it out, and they were already have written that the bottle looks half full because of some product stabilization process, and that is why it looks half full, but this is the quantity they give. It's like half full only. So yeah, that's that. We have the instruction manual, which you have to read, by the way, and we have this Paradyes classic conditioner, which we have to use after coloring. So this is after coloring conditioner, and there is one more conditioner in it which you have to use after 2 weeks of coloring your hair, which is anti-fade brown conditioner. So this is free with it, and yeah, that's all we have in the. There is something else. Yes, there is gloves also, plastic gloves. So before applying the color, you just apply some oil or Vaseline to the areas where you can, there are chances for the color to be applied. And yeah, you can do that first. I'm just applying the coconut oil. So I'm going to mix the hair color in this. This just seems like a lot of product. I think it's a lot for my short hair. Finally we are doing it. I have a mirror right here so I can see where I'm applying the hair dye. We are starting from 1 inch away from the scalp. So I've applied to my whole hair now, and I have left the scalp. As you can see, I haven't applied anything there. I think the quantity was little less for my short hair also, but I have tried my best to apply everywhere. I think I have applied to my back also. I can't see, so yeah, that is that. And yeah, we will wait for 50 to 60 minutes to the hair color to settle in, and then we will wash with the sulfate free shampoo. So you have to wash your hair with sulfate free shampoo for the color to like remain in your hair, and then use this conditioner with it. So yeah, that is that. I'll see you after washing my hair after 15 minutes, not 50 minutes. So yeah, I don't know if you can see the brown shade of my hair. Like there is some brown on my hair, like in the ends it is clearly visible, but on the top it is not that visible because that was my non-colored hair. There was some color left in my bottom of my hair which I previously did a year back. That is why you can clearly see the shades of brown in that. But here I have some brown color, like you can see there is some shade of brown here and there, you can see it, but it is not clearly visible in this light. So maybe it will be clearly visible in the sunlight. I'll just show it up to you in the sunlight in the morning. Right now it's night, so yeah, whole in whole I just love the hair color, though it is the perfect shade that I had previously done in a salon. And yeah, I'm liking it. I just wanted this kind of a shade, not too much brownish but a little bit brown, although it didn't cover my gray hair. But yeah, it is looking good. So thumbs up for Paradyes. It didn't cause me any irritation or any kind of what to call irritation, itchiness, nothing at all, any allergy, nothing I had. So yeah, I haven't had allergies from henna also. I haven't had allergy from the previous hair color that I did. So yeah, that's why I just, without thinking, I just applied this hair color. So if you have had allergy in the past,
in this crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold, a friend to light the way when the world starts to unfold. Through all the ups and downs,